Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to design this gear. So we are starting off by setting the platform. So we'll have this at plain white. Then we select the dimensioning section to millimeter. Then from there we select the plane. We are using front plane. Then we select the cycle like that. Then we go to smart dimension. Then we set the dimension of this cycle to 40 mm. Then we have to extrude to a thickness of 15 mm. So we extrude mid plane 15 mm. Like that. And then see. Then we select this face. We have to bore a hole for the shaft. So we select the circle. From the center we draw a circle of 12 mm. 12. Then we smart dimension. Then we set this at 12 mm. Then accompanying this one also we'll have to introduce a keyway 12 mm. Then we go for the keyway, we go for center rectangle like that. And we insert it there like that. Then smart dimension. Then we set this at 3 mm for each side. 3 mm. Have there 3 mm. And the other side also 3 mm. Then we trim the extra portion of the sketch. So we trim this like this. Trim everything like that. Then we cut through, highlight the sketch. Then we go to feature. Then we extruded cuts. We are cutting this through. So select through all like that. See. So we have to also cut some pieces from this surface. So we select the surface. Then we go to circle. Then we draw two circles from the center. Like that. And another one. Then we go to smart dimension. The bigger circle we will have it at 28 mm. 28. Then the small one we have it at 20 mm. 20 like that. So we have to cut this portion. So we highlight the sketch, then we go to feature, then we go to extruded cut, then we select blind cut, then we are cutting to a depth of 4 mm. So 4 mm, 4 mm like that. See, so we have to do the same on the other side of the gear. So for the other side, So we have to highlight the extruded piece, then we mirror about the right plane, like that. See, so we have the extruded portion on either side, on both sides of the gear. So the next step is now to cut our teeth, the first teeth. So we are selecting center line, select center line, draw a center line like that. Then we select the line, then we select line, then we draw a line up from that point like that. Smart dimension, this line is around 0.5 mm, 0.5 mm. Like that. Then from zoom out, let's zoom out. From that line to the center line, we have that at 16.5 mm. 16.5, like that. So we now have to draw the arc. Select the 3-point arc, 3-point arc. Then we draw arc from this point to the outer side of the outer diameter, like that. Then smart dimension, smart dimension. Then the height of that arc, our initial line, it's about 4 mm. I think that 4 mm. And this side, have it at 2.5 mm. Like that. So we have to do the same on the other side of the center line. So we have to mirror. So first we'll have the arc. So let's have the radius of the arc at 4.73 mm, like that. Then we'll have to mirror this for now. So select the mirror entity, like that. Then we highlight this, the sketch, we highlight the sketch. Then we mirror it about the center line. So we select the center line, like that. Now we have to draw the connecting arc, like this, to the other side, to close the sketch for our, so that it allows us to cut through. So we are closing the sketch like that. And the arc radius is around 9.5 mm. Around 9.5 mm. 9.5, like that. So we have now to fillet the bottom part of the sketch. So we are filleting the bottom side of it. Select fillet and set at 0.3 mm. Select that push. Then we fillet like that. Fillet the other side also. Like that. We highlight the sketch. we'll cut through all, cutting this piece of your light sketch. Then we go to feature, extruded cut. Then we cut through all, like that. See, so we'll have 25 teeth. Our gear will have 25 teeth, so we'll have to do this thing. We'll have to cut 25 times. So, but for our case, we will utilize the circular pattern. So we highlight the sketch, the extruded piece portion of the drawing. Then we go to circular pattern, like that. Then we set the number of teeth as 25. Then we select the face, like that. See, and then we have to select the material now. See, so material, we are using mild steel. See, so our gear is ready. For more drawing videos like this, remember to subscribe. Thank you.